No fancy flowers, absolutely all leafy green vegetables. Malabar spinach, Sloan spinach, curry leaves, oregano, and red one. All this while varieties and varieties of bats used to come. Now today special guest has come. That's our natural, and not to forget to mention this. If you dig this soil in the pot, you will find plenty of earthworms, red wiggler. Okay. Now everyone definitely wanted to have natural pollinators to come to their garden, their balcony. For that, you need to have a flowers, yeah. But here, no flowering, no fancy flowers, but the leafy green vegetables, and honeybees finding their home. Look at this is there's a glass. I didn't open the glass, so I don't want to disturb them. This is one of the leaves. Red Malabar spinach. And this is one. You can see the seeds. The bats will usually have the feast there. There's a strong wind, a little bit strong wind outside. Ayub, you love them?
Yeah. So look at this honeybee sitting here. Look at this honeybee sitting
Normally,
here.
kids get scared, but by the grace of Almighty, my kids loving it because they know natural gardening. These are most important.
So much. They look like a moth honeybee. This is a moth honeybee, Atta.
No, it's not. They are real honeybees.
Look like a... What happened to their munjia? What happened to their munjia?
Wait. See, look at... They are trying to find their home because they love the garden. So they are trying to find... They build a home here. So they're finding different places. So which one will be good? You see here?
Look at those honeybees are sitting there.
Yeah, see that?
They're upside down and up it up. And look at this honeybee.
One moment, wait. See here, yeah, very nice. Like this.
Look at this honeybee.
In one moment.
But I'm blocking the honeybee.
Haven't watered few days because of
What
travel.
happens if we stick the honeybee?
No, wait.
Nothing happening. It's a really big honeybee. It's a queen honeybee. So look at the
What?
dundu.
Wait, one moment. Finally, they have chosen the place. Yes. Now the home for honeybees. The spot. What a blessing to have the balcony. Of course, I do have a jasmine and butterfly pea at the both ends. Blessing to watch. World #1 pollinator.